Yeah, it's done.
Alright. Okay. I'll see you.
All the best. Come on.
Don't ruin my makeup.
All the best, darling.
Thank
I love you so much.
Love you too.
God grace go with you. God's grace.
Anne, shoot. Make sure your shot engulfs all positive vibes. This is your time.
What is this you are wearing?
This is my house clothes. You like it?
Your house clothes. Since when, please?
Okay, I usually wear it every Thursday. Maybe you haven't noticed. I know you like it, right? Oh, sorry.
Anne.
God knows that if I get any alert this night, I'm going around town to search for food. I really feel for Tony and Juliet. I'm sure they're finding it hard to sleep too. No one should sleep on an empty stomach, honestly. Oh, my stomach hurts.
Seafood though. Hey,
Now you know come and make I come join you. Alpha.
What?
I know that allow me chop job.
Yes, now I'm
Wetin
gonna worry you now.
happen?
I better stop. See your own food now.
How would you compare coke and bread with rice and chicken? You say if you know they fear God.
You dey fear God? You dey fear God? You get over 800 and something K for your account. You share with anybody?
Tonya.
Eh? Almost 1 million.
So you've been snooping around my phone. Wetin carry you go my phone?
They carry you call my food.
Your food dey and
No be your
everybody
food
dey
be
see am.
this. Be contented.
Contented.
God, leave me
I don't blame you. So you'll not give me at least even if it's meat.
Okay, look out, so. You don't give me anything. If I tell you suffer why I suffer before I get this food, you go pity me. And so I go tell Frank. I call Frank, tell him, I be hungry. Make I send me money, make I buy food. He said, make I come in house, that I should come to his house, he has enough food. I said, okay. Let me just go and eat food, though. My sister, when I reach there, waiting this guy take my eyes see. Look me, I dey tell you something.
What is it now? What you dey tell me again?
This guy knock me front and back. He scatter my body. On top food. Rest. You no get no be the same quick you get, I get. Sure? If you want chop better food, you go meet that your boyfriend. Wetin me that him name again? Go meet am make him buy you food. See this food now, I suffer get am. So I go reap for where I sow. I suffer well, hustle for this food. I need it so that all the wound wey dey my womb and my purpose go heal.
Why are you telling me now? It's none of my business. Just give me food. At least let me cut more meat, Joe.
None of your business. I'm gonna hear this food. The boy you will touch this food. This food. Calm down now. You do this food.
Girls are hungry.
This night is the hardest, I swear.
Me too, I'm hungry, bro. Sorry. Am I smelling food like rice or something?
Becky, your hunger has increased though because that's the only reason why you're smelling food right now.
It's obvious. Your own hunger don't pass our own. The ulcer is burning in your perceiving food.
I'm honestly very hungry. That's why I couldn't even sleep. I've just been turning and turning. I'm so sorry.
You're hungry?
Very, very. I couldn't even sleep.
You're hungry now, Miss Nada. You dinner.
I have ulcer. Hey, if I don't eat like this, all the worms in my stomach will start biting themselves.
Sorry. But not to worry. Tomorrow morning, we'll definitely get something.
Oh, please, I beg.
So there's nothing at all.
My stomach is even biting me. I wish there is water to even drink. It would have even be better.
There's no water.
There's no water.
Salt
I
and
don't
water.
eat like this now. My tummy will start
There's like
biting.
people ate something like rice in the afternoon.
No!
It's not rice. Maybe it's dry bread.
Maybe this girl, I told you to always clean this room.
No, why are you stepping on me? I'm
always clean this room. Aye.
Why did you do like that?
I'm sorry. Trudy, don't worry. You definitely forget something in the morning. Sorry.
I don't know this kind of a thing. Let the day break now. This kind of longer night and shorter day. I don't like it though.
Sorry. But it's like you girls had rice earlier this morning or something because rice particles. You ate rice?
No. This girl. I always told you to be
Stop
cleaning this
stepping on
room.
me now. Why will I be hungry and you still be stepping on me?
Sorry.
We clean this room. This room now. We'll just be eating food now from the dustbin now.
Is she my destined wife?
Shower with the kabash. This girl thinks we are stupid. After sleeping with all those men that gives her money, coming back to lie to us that she doesn't sleep with those men. Imagine those money are just for free. They give her free money. She's there kabashing. She didn't say she kabash past me. That girl, there's something that she's doing. This kabashing thing, not just her defense mechanism.
Again, no jokes, no jokes. Because these are the same men we go out to meet. And they will never drop a pin, no matter how we turn our back left or right, even hang us on the head.
Who see they talk?
They will never. So she will just come inside and tell us that he just dashed me this, he just sent this, I did nothing, I did not do anything.
All the doggy, they won't give us anything. But you see that small pepper?
Becky.
That small pepper, she doesn't even, she will, every time, this one, this one, that one. And she's there kabashing. Doing what God cannot do does not exist.
Fire go
for me.
See her fire.
God don't suffer.
Fire.
That girl, they use strong kayamata and me, Tonya, I must find out. Even if it will take me the last drop of my blood, I will find out what that girl uses on men. I don't feel there for what river soap enter my eye now. She don't fit deceive me. She don't fit. I tell her before her, she don't fit deceive me.
Tonya, calm down, relax.
My bloody boy, I vex.
I know she be vex. Becky, they shock me. Becky, they shock me. What God cannot do does not exist. We know.
Just bless
but this one no clear.
Carry tissue paper. Look inside that her mouth.
My dear, we cannot do. See, I don't want to hear any excuses. Send my 15k back to my account. How can you remove 50k from my account like that now? Is that your duty? I think you are relaxed because I'm speaking from the house. You will soon see me in that bank.
You are I wonder of those who diligently seek your face. What you cannot do, what you cannot feel, what you can't turn around does not. See. 100k allowed.
Becky, 100k.
I'm telling
Who sent
you.
it?
Peter sent me 100,000.
Wait.
Just like that.
Wait. Peter.
Yeah. Peter sent me 100,000.
Wait, the same Peter that has been asking you out and you said no.
Another believe. They know they see.
Sent you money.
My sister, when God's grace is speaking drastically on your hair.
This grace past grace, oh my God.
Child of grace. Big one. Good.
My sister, celebrate grace.
Wait. You mean you did not do anything for this guy? Like nothing at all?
I didn't do his money. I didn't do anything.
Not even blowjob.
What is blowjob? Do you have to do blowjob before you can get 100,000? He just sent me the money.
Wow. Celebrate grace.
Celebrate grace. This is God's great speaking. Jehovah Jireh, my provider.
10,000. I'm looking away.
I say 70. I say 70,000. It's 100,000.
So
So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take 70,000 and go for food shopping. And then I'm going to give you 5,000 and you 5,000.
Best him.
And then I'll keep 20,000 for myself. Right?
Yes. Thank you so much. I love you.
Love you, girls. My Jehovah Jireh keeps providing.
Hey, hallelujah.
Alright, let me just go freshen up. I'm so excited.
I hate this girl with passion. Like, I hate her with passion. All these things that she's doing, it pain me reach my blood, my bone marrow.
Reach me, guy. This girl thinks we are fools. Like, how would she expect us to be that all these men gives her these things without asking for anything in return? Especially Martins. Tell me who in his right sense would give a woman a house till he returns back from abroad without asking for anything.
This girl thinks we are gullible.
Oh, we are gullible.
No, I am not gullible. Maybe you are. I am not. 100,000.
They cry for 15k. She they come in with 100.
Becky.
Dash, just dash.
Becky. That thing you think you know.
I
I know I'm times 2.
I need to call this guy.
Let's see.
Like this.
100,000. Free money. It's not possible. That blow job where you they do. You dey lie say you know they do blow job. That your pattern. You go teach me. You go teach me because I know say you no do blow job pass me. That thing, that extra package where you dey use for your BJ. You go teach me. 100k.
Oga.
Nah, I beg, no they carry this your 15k so they can't stop my ear for years.
I beg. Have you decided how you want to send my 15k back to me?
What is even wrong with this girl? Like, what is wrong with this girl? Just a simple airtime she cannot afford. Jesus, she's just big for nothing. Becky, baby.
Yeah, what's up?
I'm fine. Becky, please. I'm looking for my phone, so I don't know if you can help me with your own phone, please. Let me just flash my line, please.
And no problem. You know the password now is on the table, the dressing table.
Oh, okay. Oh, thank you. Are you coming out anytime soon?
Well, I'm taking a shower.
Oh, a shower. Okay. Let me just flash my line, okay?
All right.
Becky?
Yeah?
Sorry, my phone is actually ringing outside. Thank you so much, alright?
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you.
How? How can she give us 5k and collect 20k? It should be 5k for Tonya, 10k for me, then 15k for her. Yes.
Yes, come in.
Bestie,
Hey, what's up?
I'm fine. Thank you. I got the money you sent.
You're welcome.
Bestie, I know this will sound somehow,
Okay.
but can I ask for extra 5k?
Juice. Dash or borrow. Because you don't ever get to return.
I just need 10k for my mom's medication.
Your mom? Is she okay?
Yeah, she's fine. It's just regular checkups.
Oh. Well, okay. I mean, it's your mom's health. I'll transfer to you.
Oh, thank you so much. You're the best. Thank you.
It's okay.
Thanks, bestie. Thank you very
You're welcome.
much. Sherry is fine, you know. Where are you going to?
To the supermarket.
Bessie,
Yeah?
you know you've been really nice to us. And you've always given us this like 5k and see, you've been so helpful. Don't you think it's too much for you to go to the market by yourself?
Why?
let me go for you.
Don't worry, okay? Don't worry. You going there, buying those things, carrying it yourself. But at least if I go with the car, it's easier. More so, I have to stop by and drop my CV. Except you want to go with me, then.
No, no.
All right, then.
I have to run. Okay, bye.
Are you not coming?
No, I'm coming.
Are you sure you want me to drop you here?
Yes. I'm okay. I'll just take a cab home, okay?
It's alright. Hold on. There we go.
This?
Yeah, that's for keeping me company today.
5K. How?
How? What do you mean?
Like, how would you be giving me 5,000 naira after everything you did to me today? After the whole 10 rounds you gave to me?
Oh, you know what? Listen, okay, fine. I agreed. We did 10 rounds or something. But 5, well, anyway, let me add something. Take. This is all I can do. Please get out of my car.
Okay, I don't understand. As you package like this,
Hello?
with your bling, you dey give me 5K. Now 5K you dey give other girls so they can't see you. No, the people you give huge amount of money to.
You are not other girls. Please get out of my car. Thank you.
Oga, after everything you do me, after how many hours, 10 rounds, Oga, give me better money, else you no go better for you. If I swear for you with this money, you go work. See, all my waste, everything they pay me, they give me 6K. I feel like 6K.
Can you leave my car, please? Please get out. If you don't want me to push you, get out of my car. Oh. It's easy to make money.
Oga, you look me.
Get out of my car!
Oga, with this my nyash, they give me 6K. With this nyash.
You're wasting time, bro.
Oga, no go better for you.
My friend, get out of my car. You're wasting time. Rubbish.
No go better for you. You go get accident. You no go better for you. Oga, say you no go better for you. In fact, you go get accident. Now me, you look finish after you don't destroy my waist. You look this my nyash finish. They give me 6,000 naira. What go punish you? You go no go better for you. Always Yahoo boy. Give me now, thief.
Yes, I'm here.
Babes, leave this thing you're doing. Come. What is it?
Babes, are they vex?
My blood is hot. Hey!
Becky has killed me. Tonya, what is it?
See, there is no doubt that Becky is using Kayamata. I'm telling you, she's using one of all these aphrodisiacs. The earlier she tells me, the better for her. Because, babes, I won't even take this one. How she could look a whole babes like me? They call the lie they give me for waiting.
Tonya, what is it?
Okay, fine. I went to see Peter. Babe, stop laughing. This is a serious matter. Listen, I went to see Peter.
Okay.
After the numerous styles, all the turn that guy turned me. So till my waist like this, they pay me. I need to go press my body hot water. Guess how much the guy give me?
How much?
Just guess now. Guess how much he gave me. Guess.
How much?
5,000 naira. Hey! This guy looked me finish, gave me 5,000. You know when he gave me that 5,000? I was thinking maybe he wants me to buy maybe airtime or something. Like I really do not even get it. I was telling him, I said, 5K, how? He then said, okay, he had to add 1,000 naira for me, making it 6,000 naira.
Sorry.
Babe, I be like 6K, babe.
No.
I be like 6K. No, just look me. Check me well. Look me well.
You gallant.
I be like 6K, babe.
You gallant guy.
If you compare me with Becky.
No.
No, look me finish. Now, if you compare me with Becky.
No,
And
you
that
go.
stupid man give me 6K. Hey! See, nothing you won't tell me. You see, Becky, that girl they use jazz. Kaya Mata. I'm telling you, that is the only way to explain this nonsense. She needs to tell me what she does to those men. Babes go just they receive a lot of 100K. Just like that. But me, we don't go to the work, we don't go to marathon finish, come back. Babes, now 6K then give me. But waiting.
Now, Tonya, relax. Mrs. Kayamata.
Don't tell me to relax because now that money where they send and make me go this mission so. So you don't go tell me to relax.
Come and sit down. Tonya, come and sit down.
This is not a joking matter. Like I'm serious. Becky has to tell me what she does to those men. Yes! Make she give me her plug. If na Kayamata she dey use, me too, make she show me way.
It's okay. Tonya, relax. Come and sit down.
Sit down what?
Sit down.
I'm not even fit to sit down. My waist they pay me. Girl, don't you understand what I'm trying to say? This guy finished me. Like he drained me. The doggy that guy fire me, not be snorting.
Okay.
For 6K.
I will help you to press your waist. But you find me 3,000 naira.
Say what? No, if you have the balls, deliver. Talk am again. Repeat am again, man. No forget my hand for your face.
I waste you know the chop. I don't understand. Just 3K na equal.
No, you know the luck you get now. See, no be you I carry for mine enter this house. You're not my target right now. Now, now Becky I dey go meet. Where she dey? Becky!
She's not at home.
Becky!
Becky is not at home. Oh.
Hi. Hello. What's wrong? Why's a grown lady like you seated here crying? What's the problem? Why are you crying? Okay, my name is Becky. What's wrong with you?
My name is Anne. My cousin threw me out of our house.
Your cousin threw you out of her house. Why did she do that?
My cousin's husband was making advances at me. And I've already sworn. I swear that I will never betray or sleep with anybody's husband or boyfriend. I promise my God that lives in heaven.
Okay, so what's your cousin saying about this?
You only believe her husband though, because her husband freed me up. You just believe that asked me to go.
Okay, can you stand up? Let's go see your cousin and see if we can
talk to her.
Auntie, please, I don't want you to waste your time. Because there is nothing you will tell my cousin that will ever make her accept me. She believes I love her husband so much. I don't want to go back to my village. Oh. I don't want to go back to my village because my village is still under construction. No water, no light. I am the breadwinner of my family. Now my family is eating today is me. Oh, where do I start from? God, are you seeing me or are you looking at me? Oh, Jesus, Jesus. Hey. Oh.
Okay. Let's go to my place and then we'll probably take it from there, okay? Stand.
To your place.
Yeah, to my place. Let's go. Wear your slippers and get in the car.
Auntie, to your place.
Come.
Auntie, thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Hey, God, thank you. Thank you.
Alright, just go in the car.
Thank you.
Just take a look at the kind of message this guy is sending. I don't know what he's talking about, and I don't even know what to reply him. What do I say?
Call him now.
I'm telling him what?
You find out who he's really.
Hi, girls. Hello.
Welcome.
Yeah, thank you. So, Anne, this is Tonya and Juliet. Tonya and Juliet, this is Anne. She's our new housemate.
Good afternoon, ma.
You don't have to kneel. Come on, stand up. She's so dramatic.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. Did you just say our new housemate?
Yeah, our new housemate.
Yeah. What? Did you tell the owner of the house before bringing her here?
Good. Okay. Tonya, you just asked if I told the owner of the house before bringing Anne. Well, the answer is no. And that is because when I brought you girls, I didn't tell him. So I don't see the reason I should tell him now.
That is because we are your friends.
Well, she's like a sister to me.
Do you even know her?
No, we just met.
You just met.
Yeah.
And you brought her here. You don't even know this girl. What if she's a witch?
What's wrong with that? Huh? She's here. And all we have to do is accommodate her, be tolerating, and let's live in peace and unity. That's all. Anyways, let me take her to my room. Bring your stuff.
To your room.
Yes, to my room.
Becky, you do not allow anybody into your room. Not even me, your best friend.
But Juliet, it's not like we have a choice here. That's the only option.
Really?
Yeah.
Impressive. This is impressive.
Let's go. God, you're something else yourself. Chill, right? Girls, please, could you help me get the stuff in the car? Oh, sorry, this way.
Thank you.
Yeah, easy.
What just happened now?
You saw it.
Hi. Same way I did not tell the man before bringing you girls in. No, let her announce it that she brought us in. We are living in a free house. In front of that dirty girl. That girl looks like someone she brought from the slum. See the way she's looking. It's as if she has not even had her bath for 2 days.
Mama Charity. I'm just baffled at how she goes out and just bring anybody into the house. Without informing us. That is why I'm angry.
Don't blame her. Her condition make crayfish bend. If not, she no go come here, they announce some, say she give me roof for house, you know, be me and her own. Rubbish. See, you see that girl? See that girl she brought to this. If that girl tries me, I will shift her mouth. Yes, if she tries me, I'll give her a dirty slap.
Come in. Yeah. Come in. Okay, so this is my room. You'll be staying here with me. That section of the wardrobe is where my things are. This one is almost empty, so you can just put your stuff in there. Alright?
Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay.
Hey, my sister. It will not be well with you.
It's okay.
It will never be well with you.
It's fine. Alright, so one last thing. You saw the ladies in the sitting room. They're my friends. More like my sisters. So I really appreciate if you accord them maximum respect, okay?
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Amen.
Thank you. Thank you. Just stand up, okay? Alright, just put your things in there. Who is this? What are you still doing there? Huh? I said you can put your things in there. Come on now. Thank you. Just relax, okay? Feel at home. Alright, let me talk to my friends.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Please now, eh? The other day I came to your house, see what you did to me. You just still did not give me anything.
There's still nothing in the kitchen.
Just hold my 15K. Please.
You guys didn't bring the stuff inside the car inside.
Bigger than this now.
Tony, I'm talking, you're still on the phone. You guys didn't bring in the thing.
Babes, what's your problem now? No, why are you distracting me? You see that I'm here making an important call, begging for money, and you're disturbing me. Will you give me the money? Will you give me the money? I beg. Babe, please now. You're bigger than this thing you're doing. No? You're bigger than this thing. Yeah?
Juliet.
Becky, let me just tell you the truth. We are not happy with this thing you just did. Eh?
You're not happy with what?
We are not happy. How can you just go out and bring a total stranger into the house without even informing us?
What do you mean by you're not happy with what I did? What did I do? No, this house you're living in, do you know the owner? Do you know him? Was it not a stranger that gave this house to me?
Because he was asking you out.
So?
That's a different situation.
So I shouldn't help someone that's in need?
I'm not saying you should not help someone that is in need.
Okay, so what are you saying?
Nothing is wrong with helping somebody out. But it's wrong.
Please, let's go bring in those things.
What is even wrong with that girl self? Eh? Someone will not drink water and drop cup. Forming boss lady. Who is her maid? I'm not her maid though. Just sound her if she talks to me anyhow. See, distracting my important call. Does she know who I was talking to? Begging for money. You see why I hate that girl? I hate her so much. Seeing her alone, it disgusts me. I feel like choking her sometimes. That she wants to be feeling, but the day we are going to beat that girl lady, come. Don't worry. Just condition I make a fish bend. What kind of nonsense is this one? So what would I do like this one now? Because again,
Oh my God. Anne.
Come on.
Juliet.
Yes?
Tonya, please, you girls should come. Tonya. Is she not there? Tonya. Since Anne came into this house, she's been the one cleaning. The point I'm trying to make here is that we need to be taking turns in cleaning this house.
Are you done?
Yes, I'm done. Anne, give me that stuff.
Yes,
Give me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Juliet.
Thank you, bestie.
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray!
Thank you.
Happy birthday, my bestie, Juliet. I want to say thank you to you and Tonya for coming into my life. Before you girls came, I lived a very lonely life, of which I hated so much. But that is because I've not been so lucky with friends. I want to say thank you for sticking in my corner. I want to say thank you for being here. And I pray you have a blessed day and you have an amazing year ahead.
Thank you. Thanks, bestie. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
And this is also for you.
Thank you. Alright, before I make a wish,
Okay.
I really want to say thank you, Bex, for being the bestiest bestie in the whole wide world.
You're welcome.
Thank you for the many times you've shown us love, for the many times you allowed me borrow your wig.
Oh, stop.
And your leggings.
Stop it, that's okay.
I really do appreciate you.
You're welcome.
And my wish today is that the Lord will grant us the benefit of being friends forever.
Amen.
Amen.
Woo!
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks, Bessie.
Happy birthday, darling.
Thank you very much.
Okay, and so to add to this cupcake, I'm going to be making you goat's meat pepper soup and jollof rice.
Wait, you mean your goat's meat pepper soup? The one that's always going to Harvard?
Yeah, I've not even.
I'm waiting.
You know, say her. You know, say her pepper soup now. Harvard standard.
Thank you.
It always makes sense.
Thank you so much.
I haven't even done it yet, but that's okay. Yeah, I'm going to the kitchen now to do it.
Hi, I can't wait for my own birthday next week. Julie, let me shift my own teeth.
Today is my day. You never even allow me to talk. Today is my day. Don't just come and add yourself. I don't understand what be twins. Bessie, pepper soup.
Okay, girl.
We know be twins now, Abi.
I'm sorry. I think
On my own day.
my
again.
boyfriend is around. I'll see you guys later.
Your boyfriend.
Happy birthday.
Hey, thank you.
Enjoy.
Take it inside. As you can see, today is my birthday. See yourself. I don't want that face. I
Give me the
can't.
kitchen. I think you should share this birthday date. You refuse to
You
share.
have already licked your own part from inside.
But wait first, don't be greedy. Wait first.
Go and cook pepper soup for me.
I'll go cook am. Wait, where the cake?
Happy birthday to me. God, I thank you for another year that you've added to my life. Thank you. I won't tell any of these girls it's my birthday. Let me see if anyone will remember. I've been the one giving them birthday surprises and treats. Always the one giving, but never being given. Let me see if they will do something this time around. Chance has not been picking my calls since. I just hope he calls me today.
Sister, you're not eating. Eat now.
I'm eating.
Bex, I noticed our meat is finished in the fridge.
So?
We're not quarreling now. I'm just telling you that meat has finished.
Must I always be the person to bring money to buy stuff in the house?
You know I'll buy if I have money. I don't have money, that's why.
Do you ever have money in your life? Rico.
Facebook just sent me a notification. Oh my God, Becky, it's your birthday. Oh, happy birthday!
Happy birthday! God bless
you.
you. Happy birthday to you.
Smile now.
So why did you
Why did you take me to your own birthday?
Now, bestie, you know I don't have money.
You don't have money. Since I've known you till now, you don't ever have money. See, please, I'm not even hungry.
Come and eat, now it's your birthday.
Come and eat, now it's your birthday.
Bestie,
I'll slap you now.
But it's not fair. Why do you do like this now?
Don't just play the game. I will sand you now.
Today is my sister's birthday.
Shut up! Do you know her surname? How is she your sister? Okay, tell me, what is her surname? Becky who?
I believe her.
Where is she from?
Even if I don't know her surname, but we are supposed to, do something for her. She has been doing a lot for us now.
Do something. Bring money. Bring money now. Let's plan.
I don't have shishi.
You don't have shishi?
I just came.
Me and
Not for
Tonya,
one thing, eh?
we don't have money too.
If not for one thing, I would have told you to just tear your mouth. You don't have money, but you can talk.
So
Let's do surprise.
alone. Leave her alone. Mind out.
I will slap you now.
This money you don't have.
She's your sister, so join her in stabbing. Sister, kill you down. Sister, kill you there. Hey! Babe, this food go well.
You want to finish 3 plates of food?
Trust you, go eat chocolate now, go chop and finish.
Sister, happy birthday. Sister, I'm so sorry that we did not put up anything for you. I don't even know that today is your birthday.
And that's okay, okay? I understand, I mean, we just met.
Sister, you know what?
What?
Just pack all your dirty clothes, shoes, everything that is dirty. Give it to me. I will wash all of them. Let me do birthday for you.
I honestly do not have any dirty stuff for you to clean, okay? They are all neat. It's okay. Right?
Money. I don't have money. I wish I have money, sister. Today I must spoil you well. I must spoil you.
That reminds me. Later you should just try check on those designers in your estate and find out how much they use to train upcoming designers. So we just pray in case any money comes so I can register you, you can go learn, okay?
Register me?
Yeah.
Sister, I've not even finished thanking you for the one that you did for me. And you're doing another one. Hey. Sister, God bless you.
God You're so dramatic.
God bless you for me. What would I have done without you? Who am I without you?
It's okay.
Sister, God will bless you in the morning.
Amen.
He will bless you in the afternoon.
Amen.
He will bless you at night.
Amen.
Every day of your life, you will never see anything bad.
Amen. Amen.
You see, you will never. God will bless you.
Amen.
Thank you. Oh, one name. Hi, Sister.
That's okay.
Sister, God bless you.
Bless you too. Thank you. It's okay.
Happy birthday.
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my lovely sister. Happy birthday to you.
Eh? That's very bad, though. That's really very bad of Shas.
Let's not conclude yet. Sister, I feel you should call him. Maybe something happened.
It's not possible. I think he has cheated her. You don't know how these stupid men behave. He has probably gotten someone better than Becky.
Why will you say there is someone better than my sister? There is nobody better than my sister. My sister is humble. She's beautiful. She has very fine shape. And she's a good human being. Sister, don't mind them. Just call him. Call him again. Maybe he's sick.
I don't want to call him.
Sister, because just call him. You never can tell. Oh, he might be very sick and you're here getting angry. Just call him once. Just to find out. Please.
Hey bitch, don't you ever call my man again. I'm his new woman now. He dumped your silly ass long ago.
Sister, what did he say?
What is it?
I know this look.
What
I told you girls he has cheated her. But no, Auntie Faith.
Bestie, wait. What did he say?
Sister, what did he say? Sister.
Child.
He has cheated her. Bex! Bex, talk to us now!
Sister.
Becky, Bex!
Sister.
Please, don't kill yourself. Oh. It's not the end of the world. Oh.
Bestie!
Take it easy. You know all these men, they are so useless. It's not the end of the world. Oh. When one door closes, another one will open. Abi? Sorry, oh.
This one sweets me.
Sweet me, say. Let her feel what we feel. For almost 1 year now, no relationship.
You see, almost. It's more than a year. Oh.
I don't forget.
It's more than a year. You don't hold the check time.
Child
So
of grace.
Child of grace in the pot.
In the pot.
You can say that again.
Guy.
Let me see. She big past to chop breakfast. Hey, but this guy wicked. Breakfast on her
Una-
birthday. Even me, say, as I heartless rich, I not fit to this kind of wicked.
No, Charles. The devil incarnate. They signed Charles from
Oh,
the
sweet me. Did you see the look on her face? She was looking so for
I know, like, I feel for her, Sha. But
for
let her still feel. Let her have a bit of what we've been going through in this house.
She just
Every
be
time.
she just be like far away and beat. What did he say? She just talk. He said she don't fit talk.
Charles has moved on without me. He has moved on without me.
I bet shut up if you bring money now you go chop.
Why no go chop?
So sweet.
Seriously. Rubbish. Nonsense.
See this girl,
You waka like spy. Like she
Lizard.
spy.
I'm telling you. Nonsense girl. Sister. As if she knows that feeling. Stupid girl. Pass.
If I tell you this world is deeper than the ocean, would Would you believe it? What if I tell you the heart of man is darker than the night? Would you believe it? If I tell you this world is deeper than the ocean, would you believe it? What if I tell you the heart of man is darker than the night? Would you believe it? I just got a kiss from a chameleon, caught in the middle of nowhere. I just got a kiss from a chameleon.
You don't cast. Last. Now everybody go chop breakfast. Minus me. Well, I know she won't be able to eat this breakfast, but I will still give it to her anyways. That's the only way to show empathy. Me, I just dey do like say I dey pity her, but inside my mind, it sweet me well. Try to grace my food. Every time I go dey brag, me just be like say I dey show pity. Inside my mind, it sweet me.
Tonya. For the very first time in your entire life, this is the very first time you are cooking this early. What is the celebration?
As you don't serve your friend Becky breakfast, I say make I give her the original breakfast to complement the one wey Charles serve her for night. So I'm only being nice. In as much as the breakfast dey sweet me for belle, e dey torturing me, girl.
You no concern me. Hope say you admire him.
I don't understand. That's
No,
waiting.
important.
I who even touch am? It dey meant no touch am.
Why you dey so sad? Like why?
Dey craze now, you dey so sad. So you want follow partake for this breakfast while they make.
Becky.
See if you want make I don't dey joke with you. You dey meant. Doesn't dey.
How about now?
Behave yourself.
I no go drink tea.
Juliet, behave yourself. If you want drink tea, go meet man make he serve you breakfast. If they serve you breakfast, then you come and hey, I go make breakfast in bed for you. Even lunch and dinner. No spoil my mood. For now, I agree. See, no spoil my mood. I no go allow you spoil this my happy mood because I said this so at my body they sweet me, they torture me for belle. So don't carry your wish now, can't spoil my own. You hear me so? Nonsense. My God serve you breakfast. Go chop your own breakfast. Come, because I don't be I go even serve you lunch. Join self, serve you dinner.
Yeah, who's there coming? Oh my goodness.
Baby.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good, you're so funny. Good morning. Good morning.
Oh, babes.
Yeah,
Are you happy?
of course I'm happy.
Oh.
Yeah. Am I supposed to be sad over some stupid guy who doesn't deserve me? Is that what you mean? No. I'm okay. I mean, when one door closes, a better door opens. It is loss.
But don't be so sure. Don't be so sure. Guys are scarce these days. Yes. See, Juliet and I, we have been single for over a year now. Yes, close to a year. All these stupid men, all they want is speckles. They just want to have sex. Nothing serious. You know the matter now. Why you
I don't know. I don't know. Me, I'm a child of grace. I don't experience such things, okay? I know a better man is going to come. And this time, it's marriage. Trust me. All right. Oh.
Okay. I like your face. Do what God cannot do.
Does not exist though. Sorry, whose food is that?
It's actually yours, so it's your food. You know, I thought you would be crying and sobering by now, so I decided to make you breakfast in bed.
Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, Just bring the food.
Yeah,
Bring it. Yeah, bring it here.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Ooh.
It was meant to be breakfast in bed.
Yeah.
Now it is a breakfast in chair.
It's good. Thank you.
Yeah. So,
Thank you.
enjoy your breakfast. Huh?
All right.
Okay. I'll be going now.
All right. Because somebody made this funny. Oh my goodness.
Wow. This life. Now what for Wayeko? This life no balance. Eh? Some people will just be kind and nice when they see you sad. And then be sad when they see you happy. Ha! Now wow. This life no balance. Oh.
Anne, are you okay?
Yes, sister. I'm fine, sis.
What are you talking about?
Nothing. It's just a quote.
Okay. Do you care for bread?
No, sister. I still want to sleep.
Oh, okay.
I tell you, this world is deeper than the ocean. Would you believe it? What if I tell you the heart of God is darker?
You know that girl is not even sad. She's not mourning.
Becky.
Yes. I went to her room. She was all laughing, chatting, as if nothing even happened.
I beg you, as it is now. Becky, 1. Tonya, 0. Baba God, this is how you'll be disappointing all my enemies that are waiting for me to cry. They will wait.
Meaning what? Who's your enemy?
It's my head now.
No, who's your
Like
enemy?
Becky.
No, but on a more serious note, is that girl bigger than heartbreak? Like, why is she not sad? She's supposed to be crying, busting her pillows, but guy, I felt like pouring her that cup of tea.
What you cannot do is 150K. Oh my God! Juliet! Juliet! Yes! Tanya! Juliet! Becky, you're here!
Tonya, your own is finished.
Who does this girl think she is? Eh? I hate her with passion. I wish I can just blind her, cripple her leg, break her hand, just disfigure her face.
Relax. If you do it to her, do you want to sleep outside? Eh?
How? Is this place her house?
Is it your own?
Is it her own?
Is it your own house? Eh? See, I beg, make sure yourself. Please leave the room. Let me go and collect my own share.
Greedy girl, that's what you do. We use it for ritual one day.
Becky!
Hey! What is giving this girl mind? Like, what is going on?
Every day I do it just they celebrate. Everything I do is just say, I just want to say thank you, Jesus. It's okay.
Okay, wait, what's the problem?
I got 150,000 naira
Oh
last
my
from Peter.
God, that's a lot.
Just like that. I'm telling you, thank you.
Congratulations.
So, Anne, you said those fashion designers, they said the charge is 90,000, right?
Yes, sister.
All right, so I'm going to give you 90,000 so you can go register. and be learning something. Make sure you learn very well. You this girl. You go register. Oh God, this girl. This girl can be so dramatic.
Just like that.
It's not for you. It's for you to go and register now. Have you forgotten?
Hey!
To go and learn your
Sister.
design. Oh
you.
God, this girl is so dramatic.
Wait.
Wait. Okay, so after then, 20K will go to the orphanage home, and this evening we'll go down the roadside to that joint and we'll enjoy ourselves.
Hey!
That joint.
Sister Mo,
What's up with you? And wait now. You're welcome.
90K just like that.
It's not just like that. It's something that will impact her life.
Yes.
At least you need to save, bestie. You need to save.
Juliet.
We don't have much.
Juliet, you cannot be saving when people need help.
True.
Okay, this is more like impacting her life.
I know you are trying to impact, but have you kept for yourself?
I'll keep for myself. When I start working, I'll save. But for now, we need to impact into...
Bestie.
Yeah?
What about me now? You don't find me smarting.
What about you?
Yes, no.
But you are the same person telling me I need to save.
I know, but I'm your best friend.
Oh, so you only say that because the money wasn't coming to you?
No, I'm not saying that. I want you to save. I mean that, and I still stand by it.
That's fine. So I just want to save. The money I'm supposed to give to you, I'm just going to save that one.
Yes, sister.
Let me go to school. It's not school, it's sewing. Training.
Everything join.
Tonya, don't you think you are overdressed for this?
Me? Overdressed?
Yes.
When I'm even saying that I'm too casual.
Ha.
I wanted to even go and change to those my celebrity stone dress now. That when I wear like this, you see all my cleavage and my shape.
But you know we are just going out, like just to eat out and come back home.
Come, they send you. No, my village people send you. I can see that you want to stop my shine. No, you want to stop my future husband from locating me. My sister, I'm tired of being single. It will not work. If they send you, I jump and pass. You not see me. You just wait, let me just go and
Make shift.
bad belly. No, but you're not really the person they like.
No.
What?
Sister, are you going for Christmas?
Ask me.
You shut up. Christmas.
Tonya, what's going on now? Why you girl dressed like this?
I don't understand. Which one is Christmas? What do you know that you're talking? No, what are you saying? What do you even know?
Auntie, today is not Sunday.
Really what? So you want me to wear this leggings and this is not even vintage sef. I don't chiffon or guinea. Oh, your dog hold her very well. Chain her very well.
But babes, it's just down the road we're going.
And so I'm even saying this thing I'm wearing is too casual. To go and wear my stone dress, you're here complaining for just this small thing.
Becky, you know this girl is insulting us.
Oh yeah, sorry.
She's very disrespectful.
She's just as surprised as I am. Let's just.
Why are you surprised? What if I meet my future husband there?
Sorry.
Do you know where I will meet my husband?
I don't know. That's true. So let's go.
I'm even thinking this one self.
Can we go?
Casual self.
Let's go.
Are you for coming?
If I tell you this world is deeper than the ocean, would you believe?
My sister will get money. When they spoil me, they take me out.
And you're so dramatic. It's okay.
Sister, I enjoyed though. I was just chopping, drinking.
I've been drinking like a father. What's it?
Like you where.
Are you serious?
Yes. That's it. I like very well.
What?
Maybe they know the person.
It's possible.
You take me and go there again.
Take it to where?
That place that I'll be enjoying myself, enjoying. Sister, do you know him?
I don't think so. Hi.
Hello, you don't remember me?
No.
Come on. Becky, it's Trudy Benson from Uniben.
Trudy.
Yeah, that did Benson. Hey, come on, look at me now, come on.
Trudy Benson.
Yeah! So good to see you, look at you.
Don't mind me. So I'm not as tiny as I used to look, right?
But you still look beautiful, you know. I'm so happy to see you.
Yeah, I'm happy to see you too.
It's been a long time, you know.
Yeah, where have you been?
I've been around. I traveled out of the country to follow my education, and I'm back now.
Meet us at home.
Oh, okay. I'll see you girls. I'll just join you girls.
Becky, I'm going to miss for us.
No problem. I'll join you girls.
God, it's been a long time.
Yeah.
Sister, let me go.
Okay, I'll catch up with you girls now.
Auntie, wait for me.
So what's up with you? And
But I dropped my CV in like 2 companies, so I'm just waiting on them.
I'm so happy to see you actually, yeah.
Yeah, I stay here with my 3 friends. We rented this apartment and we split the rent.
Oh, good stuff. Well, I did that with some of my friends when I was younger.
Oh.
Yeah. Good stuff.
Alright. Now.
Becky, I want to tell you something.
Okay.
Honestly, I have been seeing you in my dreams. Hey, listen, this is not a one line, it's the truth. I feel you're my woman. I'm serious, though. I'm not joking.
Are you being serious right now, Judy?
I'm serious, Becky, I am. It's not a joke. Please. I feel we should be together. You and I. Please.
Well, you have to give me time to think about it. I'll probably give you a reply when next we see.
Okay. Thank you so much. I will be expecting your reply. And also thank you for spending time with me. It's my pleasure, actually.
You're welcome.
Okay?
Alright, good night.
Okay, good night. Sleep good.
Don't listen to Judy. Can you imagine he's telling me that he always sees me in his dream and we have this deep connection? Judy will never change. That's just it for you.
Are you serious?
I need to go freshen up. I'll give you the gist later.
In his dreams?
Yes.
Sister, this is love in Tokyo. Please come and
My only worry now is that I lied to him. After my experience with my ex, I don't want any other guy to misunderstand my source of survival. I also told him that I work with an advertising firm and that this apartment is rented and that we share the rent amongst ourselves.
So, what if he finds out that you're lying?
I don't think he's going to find out. I actually applied for a job in an advertising firm. So I'm just hoping.
Because one actually called me, so I'm hoping I back the job.
Don't worry, sister. Just believe God. You know what he can do. You must get that job.
Amen.
It must happen.
Congratulations, bestie. I'm happy for you.
Thank you. Well, like I always tell you girls, when one door closes, another opens. That's just the way life is.
Yeah? Tell me what for you. Because me, I've been saying about good things all my life, but it does not come to pass. But the day I just open my mouth and say one bad thing, bam, start happening to me.
Juliet, that's because you believe in the negative more than you believe in the positive. That's just how it works. Listen, when you speak positive words and you believe it, that's what happens to you. But when you begin to speak negative words to yourself and you believe it, it happens to you too. When you speak it, you confess it, it just manifests.
Speak up, sister.
That's why the Bible says, guard your heart with all diligence, because out of it are the issues of life.
Right? Speak to me, Lord. Speak up, sister.
It's that simple, your heart. Whatever you believe works for you.
Right on. Speak the word to us.
Sorry.
Minister.
What God cannot do.
Sorry, girls. Trudy's calling. Good night.
Good night.
Hey, Trudy.
Sister.
Pepe! You have put pepper inside your eyes. Pro Max.
Hi. Tiki. That's what she knows. I too know.
Sister.
That one. I'm looking for an opportunity to plug under her eyes and that her mouth she's using to do. Right on. Better person.
Please come in. Auntie Julie, good morning.
Good morning, Nan. Becky is still sleeping.
Yes, Auntie.
What is it?
Sorry. Auntie Ju, please, I don't want you to wake my sister up. She didn't sleep last night. She was on call with her new beau.
Who is your sister? Bestie. Good morning.
Good morning, what's up?
I'm sorry I'm disturbing you this morning, but bestie, please, can I collect that your black hair?
Which black hair?
The new one you just got.
Unfortunately, I've not worn that hair now.
I want to wear it now, bestie.
How are you even going to wear hair? See, you still have braids on now.
I know, I'm planning on losing it next week. Bestie now, please.
No problem, please go and take.
Thank you. Bestie, and please, can I also borrow that your leggings? I want to wear it out.
But Juliet, I've told you now, we cannot be sharing leggings. It's like undies.
I know, I'll wear something inside, I promise.
Please, no problem. Just take. Don't bother returning it.
Thank you.
This is my Trudy, Dr. Trudy. Trudy, these are my friends.
Hello, girls.
Hi.
Are they not the girls I met the other day?
Yes, they are. But this is me officially introducing them to you.
Okay.
This is Tonya, this is Juliet, and this is Anne.
Hey, pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
Mine.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Good afternoon.
Hey, come on, just say hello. Come on, it's not a
I'm
problem.
just shaking.
Hey, nice to meet you. Sure, obviously. Ladies, I am so pleased to meet all of you, and thanks for welcoming me. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Besides, Becky has told me a lot about all of you, especially you, Anne.
Thank you, sister.
We'll leave you guys now. Just go inside.
Yes.
Feel at home.
Feel at home.
Okay, thank
Bye,
you.
Becky.
Thank you. Hey, darling.
I will leave you. I want you to enjoy very, very well. I want you to be happy. Uncle, welcome.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
She's so funny.
Your friends are so dramatic.
That one especially.
Hey,
So,
I hope you're good.
yeah, I made something you want to eat.
Well, I have eaten already, but hey, I want yours too.
Better, because if you had said we weren't going to eat, I was going to cry.
Thank God, because I don't ever want to make you cry.
Better.
Hey. Come on, babe. You look so beautiful.
Thank you. Let me just go get you food.
Hey, darling, come on. Not so fast.
Trudy.
Here you go. Sit on my back. I just want to appreciate my beautiful woman. Hey, you keep looking beautiful every day. Jesus Christ.
So how many times am I going to do?
I will say 1,001 times because you are beautiful, Eddie.
Would you believe it if I tell you this world is deeper?
Okay, so welcome to my amazing apartment. And of course your future home. Come on.
Whoa. The place is so beautiful.
You like?
Yeah, I love it.
So
I love
this is obviously going to be your future home. Hey, let me show you around.
Okay.
Yeah. This is your future garden. So, here is your future kitchen where you will be making delicious meals for me.
So big.
You like it?
Yeah. I do.
Okay, yeah, let me take you upstairs. So, I will be okay. So,
I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I'm in love.
Let's just see what is it.
I'm in love, I'm in love.
Let's see now.
No. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love.
Oh, girl.
I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I'm in love.
yes, hello. Can I see you? Like right now? Yes, it's important, please.
Babe, I'm really sorry. I was scared of you leaving because that was the same reason my ex left.
How could you? How could you do a thing like that? I didn't even mind if you had a job or not. If you needed one, I could provide it for you. It's way better than lying. You know, I hate lies a lot. I hate it.
Babe, I'm so sorry. Please.
And you also lied about the house you're leaving, that you rented it. Like, what do I even believe about you? What? Oh, God. Hey, you know what? I am sorry, but I need some time to think about it. to process this whole thing, please. I just need to be alone for now.
Something is wrong with my phone camera. The quality has dropped. It's no longer like the way it used to be.
Who amongst you told Trudy that I do not have a job? And that this house we're living is not a rented apartment?
Hey!
You know we are not the only ones that live here. Have you bothered asking the stranger you brought in that looks more like a loquacious person? Have you asked her?
Juliet, it's obvious that it's from one of you. And I don't know what I did to deserve that. But one thing is sure. If I find out whoever is behind this, I will not hesitate to send that person out.
If I tell you this world is deeper than the ocean, would you believe it? What if I tell you the heart of man is darker than the night? Would you believe it? If I tell you this world is deeper than the ocean, would you believe it?
Sister?
Yes, what is it?
Sister, please, I have something to show you. You've been living with your enemies. Yes, I have evidence. Let me show you. Let me play it.
She deserves every pain she gets. She can be so annoying. I'm still enjoying her because of this money I'm gaining from her.
You never get enough money, eh? You have over 900k now. You don't wish now, you safe.
Sister, you hear it now. These people, they hate you very, very much. Eh? Since every day, they will be talking bad about you. I keep asking myself, why do these people hate my sister so much? What has my sister done? They are very weak. Sister, let me go with my sister.
Juliet! Who are you, Juliet? Who are you?
What is this?
You, Juliet!
What is it?
You that I give my last card on a daily!
Why are you shouting?
You have over 900,000 in your account? Juliet, name it! Name how many times I went hungry to make sure that you ate. Juliet! And you, Tonya, what have I not given you? I give you my leggings, my hair, my every single thing I have. I usually share with you guys. And you did this?
What is
You
this?
girls did this?
What did we do?
Why did it even take me so long to notice this one-sided friendship? Why?
Why are you shouting?
Why am I shouting?
Yes.
Don't even give me that stupid pretense. Okay?
What is all this about?
Listen, two of you. I give you 1 week. 1 week to look for an accommodation somewhere. Okay?
Becky.
It is better for me to be alone than to live with this hatred and this bitterness. Okay? It's better.
Come back here!
You gave us away, right? You gave us out.
You!
Let's see. We'll deal with you.
Sister!
Which? Juliet.
If I tell you this world is deeper than the ocean, would you believe it? What if darker than the night. Would you believe it if I tell you this world is deeper than the ocean? Would you believe it? What if I tell you the heart of man is darker than the night? Would you believe it?
Hello?
Becky,
Good day, sir.
so I gave you my house. You turned it into a brothel where you bring young girls and beat them, right?
You turned it into a hotel.
I heard you even called me Maga.
Sir, no. I didn't do anything like that. I didn't bring...
For agreeing to help you with accommodation despite the fact that that you turned me down my offer to date or even marry you.
Sir, I would never say anything like that about you. Whoever said that is not saying the truth.
You told me you were in a relationship, right? I didn't know you were a whore. You opened the room I asked you not to open and even used the cars I told you not to use.
Sir, no, it's not true. I would never do something like that. The person is not correct at all. I would never.
Now pack your things and leave my house before the end of the day. Else.
Mr. Martins, please, sir, you've known me for some time now. You know I can't do something like that. You know I can't.
Becky, else you will regret your life in that house. Nonsense.
Hello? Who among you lied to the Martins about me? I mean, it's good because now we lost the house. Was it you?
No, you lost the house alone. Because this house is now under my care. Martins is now my boyfriend. So you go upstairs, pack your things, and get out.
Is this some joke?
Who is joking with you? Do I look like a joke to you? Go upstairs, pack your things, and leave this house. Like, right now.
Tonya, what did I do to you to deserve this?
Everything. You did every goddamn time. You flunked your good and lucky life to our faces, making it look like you are God's own favorites. Why we? Maybe we are from the devil, or better still, devil's favorite. You parade yourself as the queen of this house. You raise your shoulder, always feeling, in fact, I don't even know, maybe feeling fly because things works for you. You have all the better man, the money and whatever. So you go upstairs, pack your things and get out because I am tired of seeing all your rubbish.
Tonya, where do you expect me to go? I can't go anywhere.
I don't care. I do not care. You were going to send us out anyways.
But I gave you girls 1 week.
Well, I'm not as stupid as you are. Yes, I am Tonya. Okay, and I am smarter. So you go upstairs, pack your things in that your kingdom, or better still, your throne room. Go pack your things and get out. You know, I have waited for this day. A day where I will have you under my feet, begging. A day you will be under my mercy. And guess what, darling? This is that day. Look at you, looking all pathetic. I thought you were a child of grace. Abba's favorite, God's own favorite, huh? Let me see how that grace will stop you from leaving this house today. Get out.
Auntie Tonya, what are you saying? Are you mad or something? Who are you calling? Who is your auntie? Are you stupid? Who is your auntie? You fool! Come on, get out!
Hey, we're going to be Chineke. How Chineke mind? Why will you say my auntie?
It's your stick. I'm joking with you. Leave! Every time it's all about you! You! Everything is all about you! You have all the good men, you have all the money! It is my turn for me to shine! Get lost! You must always be happy. It is my turn today! And you, if I...
You are asking her to leave. Who is going to take care of the feeding of the
Get out, shifts. Who's talking about that one? You want to join her?
Do you have
I am not in a good mood. Listen. I am not even in a good mood. Stay away, otherwise she will join her.
Do you have the money?
I said shut the fuck up!
Sorry!
Every time she has all the good men, the good luck, the money, everything. But me, I will have to suffer. I will have to struggle. I will have to fight to get anything I want. What is all this? Every time she will be feeling like a queen. What is it? Who thought this? Who thought that? Can we just have peace in this house? So get out. I want to have peace. Maybe she's even the one blocking my shine. Who knows? I am tired. She should leave. It is my turn. It is my turn to feel like a boss. To feel like a queen. Becky, you go out, Becky, you eat Becky, everything Becky. Who the hell is Becky? It is my turn to be in charge. Rubbish. Let me see how your grace will stop you today. Idiot.
But I'm still saying, have you thought about it?
Juliet, I am not even capping right now. Please. This is not the right time for this. I know they look your face, so. You dey hear me? I know your face, no they fear my face. I will push you out together with her. I'm not even playing.
No, Vex, sorry.
So shut up. Shut it. Nonsense.
Anne. Sister. What are you doing?
She's not going with you.
She didn't ask you to leave.
Sister, I can't stay here. You brought me into this house. You cared for me. I did everything for me. I will go with you. Anywhere you want, I will go. If you sleep on the road, I will sleep there with you. If it's an uncompleted building, I will live here with you. I can't leave you to go alone.
Thank you so much. I don't regret helping you the night I did. Okay. I'm glad to finally have a sister and a friend. And I promise you we're going to be fine, okay? It's okay. Let's just go. Don't worry, let me help you with this.
So don't worry, I will carry it.
Okay, let's go.
If I tell you this world is deeper than the ocean, would you believe it? What if I tell you the heart of man is darker than the night? Would you believe it? If I tell you this world is deeper than the ocean, would you believe it? What if I tell man is darker than the night. Would you believe it? I just got a kiss from a chameleon, caught in the middle of nowhere.
Oh, Dr. Martins. Oh, yes, I will respond to you later. Oh, no. Hello, good evening, please. Who's this?
Good evening, sir. My name is Anne. We are stranded. Becky is sick.
Becky? You and where are you guys now?
The first street by your right, after our estate.
Okay, just hold on, okay, I'll be there. I'll be there shortly. First street by your right.
Please, how is she? Is she going to be fine?
Yes, with the drugs she will feel better when she wakes up.
Thank God. Thank you so much.
No, it's fine.
You're such a good man. God will bless you for me.
I'll need you to go to my car, get the bag at the front seat, and please bring it immediately.
Okay, sir.
Could this be the meaning of the dream? Our friends are going to betray her and try to take her place, or take what belongs to her. Oh, yeah. Thank you.
If I tell you this world is deeper than the ocean, would you believe it? What if I tell you the heart of man is darker than the night? Would you believe it?
Sorry.
If I tell you.
Sister, let me go and blend juice. I'm coming.
What if I tell you the heart of man is darker than the night? Would you believe it? I just got a kiss from a
Babe, I'm sorry. Sorry for lying to you.
It's okay.
show. What do I do? Where do I go from here? Is this what I deserve from the one I trust? What do I do? Where do I go from here? Is this what I deserve from the love I show?
Anne? Hi, baby.
Hey. Here comes my beautiful baby. Hey. You smell fresh.
Thank you.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
So I want to pray for you, okay?
Okay.
I speak favor upon you.
Amen.
You shall return with testimonies because you are bagging the job.
Amen.
And God's grace shall go with you,
Amen.
go before you,
Amen.
and be with you all through the process, okay?
Amen.
Hey, go in peace and come up with testimonies. I wish you the best, darling.
My confidence just increased to 200%.
Well, that's the power of my prayer. So have you picked the car?
You want me to go with the car?
Hey, darling.
Yeah.
That car is yours now. Yes. Hey, it's yours now, okay? I'll drive the other one.
Oh, thank you so much, baby.
Hey, come on. Yeah, it's done.
All right. Okay. I'll see you.
All the best. Hey, come on.
Don't
Hey.
ruin my makeup.
All the best,
All
darling.
right, thank
I love
you.
you so much.
Love you too.
God's grace go with you. God's grace.
Anne, shoot. Make sure your shot engulfs all positive vibes. This is your time.
What is this you are wearing?
This is my house clothes. You like it?
Your house clothes. Since when, please?
Okay, I usually wear it every Thursday. Maybe you haven't noticed. I know you like it, right? Sorry. Sir, this TV is not working. Do you know why?
Yeah, I'll look at it later, please.
All right.
She has a plan. Could she be the woman in my dream that tried to take Becky's place? Is Becky even aware she's like this?
Excuse me, sir.
What is it? Are you okay?
Are you going out?
Yes, I am. Is there any problem?
Yeah. So, Miss Becky said you're on leave. Please, I don't want you to leave me. I need you. I'm very scared.
You need me.
Yeah.
Hey, don't touch me. And is this you or are you possessed?
No, this is me. So, you know you're a doctor, and I know you've been very, very stressed out. Don't worry. Let's go to the room. I will help.
Hey, stop it! Don't touch me! What is wrong with you? Are you sick?
No.
Hey, don't you ever think that all men are the same, okay? Excuse me. Don't touch me!
So, please don't leave me. I'm just a helpless child who needs some love and care. Why is he not looking at me? I have loved him from the first day I set my eyes on him. From the first day he accosted Becky, I had this special feeling for him. Now, I have seen every reason to have him. Stupid girl. I hate her already. I must take him from you.
If I tell you this world is deeper than the ocean, would you believe it? What if I tell you the heart of man is darker than the night? Would you believe it?
Hello? Yes, Mr. Martins. Don't worry who the caller is. I have a very important information to pass to you right now. You know Becky, right? The one you give your house. Yes. See, sir, Becky cannot be trusted. As I speak to you now, Becky has turned your house into a guest house. There's a lot of girls in your household. Yes. She has over 20 girls here and she takes money from them weekly. Yes. And do you know the worst part? She even brings men. As I'm speaking to you now, there is a guy with her in the parlor. They are smushing. They are kissing. You need to see your parlor. Everywhere is full of condoms. Sir, don't worry. I will send you her friend's number, the one you can trust. Just call that one. Tell her to throw her out. Then when that one does that, when she leaves, just give that one 1 week. Send your agent to throw all of them away. Because all of them, they cannot be trusted. But just for just a little while, make sure you throw Becky out first. I'll call you back later.
Mr. Martins, what a pleasant surprise. Okay, yeah, I'm listening. I can hear you. Yeah. I can hear you. Go on, please.
I can't lose this guy. If it warrants me using jazz. He belongs to me and no one else. He is mine.
Sister, why are you so excited? I got the job! I got it! Thank you, Jesus! Where's my baby? Where's my baby? He went out. He went out? Yes, sir. No. Jesus, I thank you. You do it forever. Hey. Hi, babe. So? Yes, I got the job! Hey. Babe, what? No. This is not the time for you to be out. You need to come back so we can celebrate. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. Okay. Hey. Sissy, I told you. I said, goodness, mercy shall follow you. Yes. Sister, you carry me from the street. You carry me from your first house. You come bring me here. Oh, you never see goodness. Yeah. Let me go and change. Sissy, mo. Hey, Sissy.
If I tell you this world is deeper than the ocean, would you believe it? What if I tell you the heart of man is darker?
Juliet, get up, come and see. Come and see. Look.
Calm down.
Becky has gone back to Judy. She and Judy, they've reconciled. Look at them loving up on Facebook. Hi! So this girl is still living her best life.
Tonya, don't you get tired? When will you stop this your mischievousness? This is what you did that led us to where we are now. You drove Becky out of the house. And see us, we are hungry.
Oh, you shut up your mouth. Are you mad?
I should shut up.
Am I your boyfriend? Now me they shad your Congo. Now me they shine your Congo for you.
Are we talking about boyfriend? Are you not the one saying, Juliet, come and see Becky, come and see Becky? Are you not the one calling me?
Shut up. You're angry because there's no more Becky to feed you.
No.
That is why you're angry.
No.
You're so selfish. You have over 100K on your account.
Do you know what? Leave it.
800K in your account.
Use
this, buy food, let us eat. You will not die. I will not go and hustle and give you food to
Tonya.
eat. Stay hunger will kill you. Also, go grind
Am I complaining to you?
You know I'm not
Just
Becky.
don't bring Becky's news to me.
But
Becky's fine.
You know I'm not Becky.
Don't bring Becky's news to me.
Don't go and look for food.
Flina,
Nonsense
update.
girl.
Fling her. Nonsense.
But this Becky, Hi. How come? This girl, she using jazz. That girl dey use jazz. Nothing doesn't fit them. Look at this one. No need. Hello?
The owner of the property you are occupying has handed that property to us. I am an estate manager managing that property henceforth. A mail will be sent to you shortly. You have to evacuate that building before 24 hours. Thank you.
Hey! Tonya. What is it? Tonya, what is it? Hey! Why are you shouting now? Finished. You are not finished. What is it? Tonya, what is the problem? Hey! You're shouting. Why are you shouting? Who called you? Finished. Tonya, what is it? Hey! You're shouting. I'm here. Talk to me. What happened? Who called? Oh yeah, who called? Tonya, you're sitting on the ground. How bad is this? Who called you, Tonya? Talk to me now. Tonya. Yeah, talk to me now. We are not finished. I don't understand. What's happening?
Hey!
No. Annie can't do that.
I told you about the dream I had, right? Hey, honey, listen. You can't trust blindly. You need to find out from her cousin why she left. okay? It's always good to hear from both sides of the story. You understand? I think Michael is up to something. Yeah. This is what we're going to do, okay? I'm going to distract her tomorrow. I'm going to take her to the market or something. And then you go find a bag. Search everywhere. I think we're going to find something. Yes, such a bag. I don't know. I just feel she sent that text message to me. Hey, honey, please. That is what we're going to do, okay? I'll take her out tomorrow, and then you search a bag, search everything, and make sure you find something. And don't forget to reach out to our cousin, okay? Have you heard? Do we have a plan?
Yeah.
Good.
He didn't tell her about me. That means he loves me deep inside, but playing hard to get. Initial gra. He will soon fall. traveling?
Come on, just hold it there. Get down. So this is who you are. Sister. And this is who you really are. Sister. Huh? And I trusted you all this time. Does this ring a bell? And I'm asking, does this ring a bell? You don't have mouth. You can't talk. So you're the one behind all these things that's been happening to me, and you pretend to be happy. You are the one you've been going to tell Martins bad and wrong things about me that made him chase us from the house. You tried poisoning your sister, your own sister, so you can have a man. And now, after everything I've done for you, now you go trying to tarnish my image before my boyfriend. And don't you dare open your mouth and tell. Now take your things and get out.
It's Juliet, Antonia.
I said, take your things. Go! Take your things. Get out. I said, take your things and get out.
Sister, please, I'm your sister.
Take your things out. Who is your sister? You don't know where your sister is. Idiot. Come on, get out. Wait. Take your miserable slippers out of here. Take this silly phone. Take it with you. Just imagine. Look at the stupid thing I'm trying to help.
It's gone. It's okay. Just go.
What's this?
It's I got some stuff
For who? She's somebody I'm trying to help her life, trying to tarnish my own image. Just imagine.
If I tell you this world is deeper than the ocean, would you believe it? What if I tell you the heart of man is darker than the night? Would you believe it? If I tell you this world is deeper than the ocean, would you believe it? What if I tell you the heart of man is darker than the night? Would you believe it?